this is how it looks when you come in. This is pretty boring, I'm not gonna lie. All of this is pretty much boring, except for the Igor city. I have my loves. Here I just got my perfumes. I don't know what this is, a mix of perfumes, jewelry, and I don't know, those are sunglasses. Here are my best friends. We got a collection going on, and a little cute wings bag, and we got two little cuties from Ever After High. Please tell me what. To everyone that watched Ever After High, you're a real one. Hold on, I hope this won't be too messy, but I want to continue with this right here, all of this, because I want to turn on the TV just for the aesthetics, you know? So let me first show you what I got here. This is just an old TV, like a big ass, those ones, you know? And then we got a little cute Mario situation going on top. And I don't know what the fuck happened here. Why the Wii thingy is inside of the Nintendo, but we'll call it an aesthetic, I guess. So yeah, there you go. There's the Nintendo collect. You can't even call this a collection. Not really a lot. But yeah, all my leftovers of the games, and then the VHS stuff. Oh! And here's the VHS stuff. For the DVDs, this is all the Harry Potter stuff. These are just random. So yeah, and then here's the VHS player and the DVD player. And I think I'm gonna put on Harry Potter.
Smoking bones in the staircase. Though I don't know why I told to smoke cess. I guess that's the time when I'm not depressed, but I'm still depressed.
See? Didn't even take me like 10 seconds. Oh, how's my outfit, by the way? What do you think? What do you think? We got a little Sean John going on, you know. You know. You know. It's cuffing season. No! I just noticed that this necklace, this fucking necklace, was hanging in my mic. I really hope you could hear me this whole time, because if not, I'm gonna be mad if the audio is all fucked up. Oh wait, I gotta choose a language. I love this! Wait. Why is this playing?
Well, why to the North Pole, of course. This is the Polar Express.
Why are you playing? This hits, in the winter time, this hits so bad, like. We should just all rewatch Harry Potter. That's what it is. I'm just gonna let this play in the background because now I feel cozy. I feel good. This is when the aesthetic of it being an old school TV disappears, because you gotta fight the TV, and it's not that fun. I hit it a few times and now it's good again, you know? Anyway, this is my bed. There you go. And here it starts with all the like posters and stuff. So I think I'm gonna just let clips play where I just kind of zoom on the posters and, you know, just let everything sink in.
Tight clip and went all out. Catching keys from cross seas, rolling in MPVs. Every week we make 40 G. Yo, brothers, respect mine. I ain't gonna bow. Move from the gate now.
So this right here is my desk. I just got a few things like my little notebook, this little crystal light, my Alexa for the music, and then another lamp, which like 3 of these are dead. 4, but anyway, my mirror, hello, and all my makeup stuff, and then here's all my jewelry, and yeah, this is the chair. Don't ask about this. Listen, I got this from Amazon, and on the picture, the woman was sitting on it. Hold on, let me show you. This is me sitting on the paw. You can't even see it anymore. Now let me insert the picture that was on Amazon. And now I'm left with this. Oh no, is this a good way to use it? Tell me if there's another way. And this just hangs here because this chair is really ugly and I just put anything on it. So yeah, this was my desk. Here's all my books, and then we got a little Inception poster right there, one of my favorite movies. Oh, and here I have some CDs. Actually want to do a collection, like I want to start collecting vinyls, but I gotta get a recorder first. I really want that first. And then we just got more books, and now I don't got much to say to these. So, oh yeah, other than that, this is not a wall, but this is like a closet wall. So the gray stuff, this stuff is also a closet. So yeah, this is my room, and this was my room tour, and I hope you liked it. I really want to do more YouTube, and I want to upload frequently. Like, not gonna lie, my first goals right now are probably gonna be like 2 times a week. Now I got a camera, I got a mic, I have to use that stuff, you know what I mean? So if you have any questions, if you have any recommendations, any wishes, stuff like that, please leave a comment below. No, for real, go ahead and leave a comment. I will be going through them comments, like, cause right now I need video ideas. I need to know what people want to see. Also, today was the first day snowing in a long time at the place where I live. And I got so excited, and now Harry Potter is playing. This is perfect. So again, thank you so much for watching this video. I really hope it was helpful. I hope it was a good video. Tell me what I can improve as well, as in audio quality. I don't know if there's anyone professional, anything with the camera. Tell me what I can improve, what I should do better. Yeah, I hope you have a great day, great night, wherever you're at, and take care. Bye.